Hey guys, this is Skink User again, and I'm just showing you my new tank that I just got today. I paid $17.99 at PetSmart for it. It was a pretty good deal. I'm going to be putting a green Anole in there on September 10th, because that's when the pet store gets it, and yeah, I'll just show you everything I got. I still have to get a top for this, but I got the little log hideout. You just hide in there. I got the soil for $6.99 or $5.99, and I just have to get a top and a light. And if you guys, can you tell me what else I need for a green Anole that I can go buy, because it'll really help me out lots, because I'm going to be getting one soon. And this is actually my first skink and everything, and this is going to be my first green Anole, so I'm kind of new at this whole lizard thing. So if you guys could just help me out and comment, and yeah, thanks. This is Skink User. Bye.